Hello students, welcome to our online session. This session we will be discussing about doing 1A VP program. So the program goes like this. This program is about designing a simple calculator to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And then division, and we need to use the concept of functions for the calculation. So this is the exercise given. First thing, we need to design a form which looks like a calculator. So here for this area, I have used label. Then these are all buttons. Okay, all are buttons, and in every button I have given a caption 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Let me show this manual explanation, a lab manual explanation. Then I will explain you in the VB screen itself. See, so many buttons have been placed. So how many buttons I have placed is 12 button, and I have placed the button in an uniform size. So calculator, when you see, it should look like a calculator. That the form design should look like a calculator. So this is done. So when we are working with this program, you need to remember this property, what we have written. Whatever name used in this has to be used in the coding part of it. That's what, when you do this exercise, see to that you keep this procedure, this part of the table also handy, and then do. For example, the blacks, this area one label is placed, and I have given a black color background for this area. That's just a label, it's not a text box. So this black color area is not a text box, it's a label, and I have given a background color as black. Name I have used is that you need to refer in this. What name I have used is, I have used an option called label 1. So my option for that is going to be label 1. And then that's what, see, back color I have made it as black, and fore color I have made it as red. So whatever I type, it will be in red color. The background will be in black color. Then command buttons, and when we see this clear command button, you can come down and you can only observe. I have given the name for that is CMD clear. Name itself, see, I have, when we take this command button, ಎರಡು property change ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. One is name. All these program, whatever we have done so far, we don't change the name, but this program we will change the name also. Name of my command button is going to be CMD clear, and caption is going to be clear. So whatever I give in the caption only will be displayed here. Like that you need to design. So whenever you are doing this form design, keep this table in hand, and then whatever name used here, you need to use that for your form design. Then later we will see the coding part of it. So now we will go to our VB screen and see how to design this form. I'm opening the form design. This is the form design which we are going to do today. This much only is there, but just for your understanding, I will make the form size big, so that once again I will design the form and show you. Okay, done. So this is how we need to design. One is label, just a label. Name of that should be label 1. Here in this exercise, I have taken a blue color background. Back color is blue, and I have changed the fore color to red. Okay, that's all property. Then we need to place this command button. Usually command button, so many we have to place. What we will do, we will take and we will place. First button is ready, we will take, we will place. Second button is ready. But when it comes to this exercise, we will use a concept called control array. You remember, array is collection of data items. Same way, nan control annu continuous agi madak hodre, then I call it as control array in Visual Basic. What I have to do, I should take, first thing is place a label. You will place a label and change the back color, fore color, and name of that is going to be label 1. This is done. Next, when you have to do like this buttons, take only one button. Okay, take only, remember, take only one button, decide the size. This size, and the name of the button I have used is CMD NO. What is the name? CMD NO. So what you have to do, you need to select this button, change the name to CMD NO. I should type in small letter CMD NO. Name of the button is going to be CMD NO. Okay, and caption, I'm going to change this to 0. Done. First button is ready. But when I start with this, next button when I want to place, what I have to do, I should not go here, take and place it off. Okay, usually Atharane Matta idivi, but for this exercise, you should not once again go and take the button. What you have to do, as I told, you need to use a concept called control array. You need to select this, click on Control C, that is copy, or you can go to this edit option on, so you on select copy. Go to edit option, select copy or Control C. Then once again go to edit and paste. See, it will be pasted. Come and leave it here. How, like this, 0 to 9 values you need to paste. Once again press Control V, it will be pasted. Come and leave it here. Once again paste. This is done. Till 0 to 9 values we need, so that so as per my thing, first line I have 4 buttons, so I'm placing 4 buttons. Next I have 4 buttons, then I have 2 buttons. So once you keep on pressing Control V, button will be available. That is the concept of control array. Control V, copy, and then start pasting it off. Control V, Control V. Selected. This is 0 here. This caption should be changed to 1. This caption should be changed to 2. This caption should be changed to 3. This should be changed to 4. This should be changed to 5. This should be changed to 6. This 7. This one 8. And this is 9. Till 9 you place it up. Then you have one button. For this, don't use Control, paste it and bring a new button, because it is an individual button. It is not an array. See, 0 to 9 is an array. 0, 1, 2, it's going to be an array. So rather than here, I will show in this. See the names. 0, the name we have to give is CMD NO. That's all I gave. Since I have copied and pasted, now it is created an array. First address is CMD NO of 0. 1 has become CMD N of 1, and 2 has become CMD N of 2. You could observe in the property window. And 3 has become CMD N of 3. Like that till 9. CMD N of 9 it will create. But when it comes to clear button, place a new command button and place it. Name of this should be, change it to clear. And name of that should be, change it to CMD clear. So name, this time also we are changing the name and making to CMD clear. Next we need to place this operators. Next, we need to place the operators. Once again, we used one individual button you put. Select a button, place a individual button, and you have to, caption should be equal to symbol, and name of this should be CMD answer. So if you could see, the name of that should be CMD answer. Then last 4 button, once again, it should be a control array. Name of that is CMD OPTR option, CMD option OPTR. How to do is select it, place. Name is CMD OPTR. One time you do, then Control C, Control V. Copy it off. So you can go to edit, select it, go to edit, copy. Once again, go to edit, paste. It will be available here. Paste 4 times. Once again, you need to paste. Startingly 9. One time I have put 0 and pasted 8 more buttons. This time, once again, 4 more buttons I am using and pasting using control array. Here, done. This 4 buttons. And here you need to change this symbol to plus, this symbol to minus, this symbol to asterisk, and then this symbol to slash. Like this, you need to get it done. So designing this form is only very, very important. The name you use it for all the things has to be taken care. Once that is correct, only program will work. Coding wise, ashtiyenu jasti coding illa, but how you give the name and how you work on that is important. Otherwise, program won't work. Hope you got an idea. The same concept, if you put one square box, adjust this button and all to uniform size, then this format also will look like this. Okay. This is how we will design the thing. Let me delete this portion. Now you would have got an idea. Let us take our example, this example itself, and I will show you how it is being designed once again. See, design a small thing, select it, select a label. Name of the label is going to be label 1. Then first command button, on the command button you place, 2 things has to be changed. Name should be changed to CMD NO. Caption should be changed to 0. After pasting it, you need to create a control array of buttons. So copy, once go to edit, copy, and then once again go to edit, paste. Paste madvaga, it will show, do you want to create a control array? Yes or no, one button will come. Give yes. Okay. It will show whenever you, first time when you give paste, it will show, do you want to create a control array? You have to give yes, then only it will create. Okay. This button will be pasted. Once again, if you go to edit and give control V, paste, this will be pasted. Like that, you need to place 8 more buttons. If you copy and paste, this controls will become an array. You gave the name CMDNO, but if you could observe, the name has become CMDNO of 0. And this 9th one would have become CMDNO of 9. This is the benefit of using control array. You paste as an individual object and you will insert as an individual object. Since you're copying and pasting the same control, it will become an array. So 0 to 9 will become a same name with an index 0, 1, 2, 3. Atara bandbidutte. Then clear button, a separate button. Name of that should be CMD clear. Next is equal to is also a separate button, CMD answer. Tiriga 4 button you need to place it using control array. First button you paste, place illinda tagondi illi agbittu. Name of that should be CMD OPTR. Once you give the name, copy it, paste it 4 times. So this will be CMD OPTR of 0. This will be CMD OPTR of 1. This will be CMD OPTR of 2. Here you could observe the name is getting changed. And this will be CMD OPTR of 3. and as per the caption given, change the caption values. That's all the coding is about. Then coding we need to write. So coding has to be written only for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. These buttons only. Numbers and all, no need to write coding. So from clear, I will click. Double click on the clear. Coding for clear is x equals to y equals to 0. Label 1 dot caption equals to null. You remove the thing. Clear means it has to clear. So label dot end if. Coding, before starting the coding, you need to give this 4 lines you need to type. Dim x as double, dim y as double, dim z as double, dim OPTR as a string, dim fun as integer. This 5 lines alone you type it, then start the coding. Coding only equal to coding banda, I think you would have got an idea. X equals to y equals. And one more thing, you don't type e line and type madak hogbidi. You click on this, double click, this both the lines will come off. See, error line bandbidatte. Just in between the coding alone, you type x equals to y equal to 0, label 1 dot caption equals to open a quotes, close a quotes. That's all. Next, for equal to symbol, double click on it once again. So for this equal to symbol also, you don't, the private sub CMD answer automatically will come. Only this part of coding you need to type it. After typing, once again, go back to form page, double click on plus. For this is the symbol. What we are doing means we are need to add. For that, we are giving the coding. Label 1 dot caption is empty, x equals y equal to x and x equals 0. And call this caption value, like that we are telling. Next, minus subtraction coding. This any one of the coding if you write, no need to write separately. This plus coding if you write, automatically the all other coding will, for all these things, coding will be copied. Same coding only will come for all the things. So understand, clear coding you will write, equal to 1 coding, and plus you will write 1 coding. Double click on plus and you write 1 coding. Afterwards, go to the form load, click on the form, double click, and the me dot caption equal to simple calculator, like that you need to do. Then double click on this in 0. Okay, double click on the 0 and then write this part of the coding. Whatever number I am giving, that should be captured, like that it is there. So you need to double click on CMD, the 0, and you will write this part of coding. That's all. Once again, I repeat, coding is concerned. You will write clear coding, equal to 1 coding. This plus is 1 coding. This 0, you will write 1 coding. And then this form design, here this dot 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 is there na, alli double click matkondo form design coding you need to write. See, me dot caption equals to simple calculator. That's all. Coding is not much, but only thing how well you design the form is based upon the output you are going to get. Let me run this program and show you. This is how your program looks like. See, now I can do in like a simple calculator, whatever I want to do, I will be able to do. I am giving 56 minus 2 equal to, when I put, I will get the answer. So this application will look like your simple calculator. It will work as a simple calculator. Not only look like, it will also work as a simple calculator. Only one thing, design care has to be taken while designing the form. Okay. Once again, I will show the lab manual for this. So whenever you are doing this lab manual, see to this, you design the form and use the name given in this manual. Okay, whatever terms we have used, preferably try to use this name, then only you will get a correct output. Okay, with this we end our session. Try this program. Any doubts and clarification is there, we can discuss in our classroom, or we will discuss in our through our online mode. Thank you.